A local aquarium uses 882 gallons of water in 3 weeks for their saltwater fish tank. The aquarium is open 6 days a week and uses the same amount of water each day when they clean the tank out. How many gallons of water does the aquarium use in one day? So one of the common mistakes that people were making when doing this problem is they were actually multiplying, which is incorrect. So the problem already tells us how many total gallons of water the aquarium uses, and we're trying to figure out how much they use in one day. So it wouldn't make sense for our total number of gallons to get larger, or our answer to get larger, because they're trying to figure out how much to use in one day. So this is actually a division problem. So to solve this problem, there's a few different ways. One of the ways is that you could have figured out how many days the aquarium were open in 3 weeks. So 3 weeks, 6 days per week, that would be 18 total days that the aquarium was open. And then you could divide 882 divided by 18. If you're uncomfortable with solving division problems with a 2-digit divisor, which would have been 18, you could have done 882 divided by 3 first. And then that's going to tell you how many gallons of water they use per week. So 882 divided by 3. Our first step is to see, how many times 3 fits into 8, which is 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we subtract 8 minus 6, which equals 2. Next, we bring down the 8, so we have 28. And we have to see how many times 3 fits into 28, which is 9 times. So we're going to put a 9 at the top. 9 times 3 is 27. So then we can subtract 28 minus 27, which equals 1. Then we have one more digit to bring down, which is the 2. So now we have to see how many times 3 fits into 12, which is 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 minus 12 is 0. So that means that the aquarium uses 294 gallons of water for 1 week. Now that is not our final answer, because they want to know how many gallons they're using in one day, not 1 week. So we need to take our weekly gallons and divide it by 6, because they are only open 6 days a week. So we're going to do 294 divided by 6. Okay, so then our first step, we have to see how many times 6 fits into 2, which it does not. So I'm going to put an X above the 2 and move on to 29. 6 can fit into 29 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. And then if I subtract 29 minus 24, that equals 5. Now I have to bring down the next digit, which is a 4. 6 goes into 54 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54. And 54 minus 54 is 0. So the aquarium uses 49 gallons of water in one day.